Hey guys, it's fall, so I'm really into cooking and I love to cook and bake, and I've come up with some of my own recipes. So today I'm going to show you my super no longer top secret pumpkin pie smoothie bowl recipe. So to start, I have all these different ingredients that you're going to need. Some things are just toppings, some things you can leave out if you would like, but I've got this vegan vanilla flavored protein powder, some cinnamon, some pumpkin pie spice, pumpkin spice almond milk from Trader Joe's. This kind of makes it. Pumpkin seeds, a frozen banana, and walnuts over there to top. So I throw my one whole frozen banana. I top a really big heaping. I do not have a measurement for this, and here's me trying to open it. I want to say a good teaspoon. I'm putting a good teaspoon of cinnamon, maybe a little bit more in there. Yeah, maybe definitely a little bit more in there. And then I also go with that pumpkin pie spice, and I definitely put less of this because obviously it's more abrasive. It has nutmeg and clove. But yeah, I throw in a real good heaping, and you want to do this because this is what's going to make it taste like pumpkin pie. This smoothie bowl tastes like pumpkin pie. So I put in about a quarter to a half a cup of pumpkin. Depends on how much you're feeling. I probably put more to a half cup. Stick with a third cup if you want to be like safe, ballpark. Or a quarter cup if you don't like pumpkin that much, but it's not to keep me watching this. Anyways, I put in 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder because I tend to eat this while I work out. You don't have to do that. Leave it out if you don't want to. And then I pour in probably a quarter to a third of a cup of that pumpkin pie spice beverage. And yep, then I top on my food processor blender. And I grab the weird blending tongue thingy. I shove it on there, and I slam it, and I watch it turn into a beautiful pumpkin color, as it should. So you just keep blending this. Blend it for a solid 45 seconds to a minute until you open the top, and depending on how much liquid you put in there, but it should be like a pretty smoothie bowl, classic smoothie bowl consistency. Not super thin that it's too drinkable, but not so thick that it's like a freaking yogurt or something. Just kind of like this consistency. And then I personally like to top it with pumpkin seeds, and I break up some walnut pieces, and I add on a tad little tiny bit of salt. I just do a little cranking of some sea salt on the top because it really makes it. It's just like baking. If you bake without salt, you're gonna get a flat taste. Kind of same with this, so I just salt the pumpkin seeds, and that's it, guys. If you like this recipe video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Oh, and the song is my song off of my EP Start Again.